Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have another little mini project to share with you guys using this collection called Christmas Delivery. So I had some scraps. I just created two folios with this yesterday, and then I had some scraps left over, but I also had a couple of scraps from some other things I have been making. I did make another 4x4 before this, and I made another folio, and then I don't know what else I made. A bunch of stuff apparently, but I still have some scraps here. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna make with this yet. And I do have like some larger scraps still. Like these are still a good size. These aren't 4 inches anymore, but I still have some larger pieces like this and these. And then I have one full-size sheet left here, and then this is the back. So I could still make something good with this. I'm not sure what yet, but I'm gonna have to make something so that I can write off this collection off my list. So let me show you guys what I created, and we're gonna talk about all the details and everything. So this is a super cute 4x4 sized little mini album. I have a ribbon tie closure here, and I just ran out of this ribbon. I might have some more in my closet somewhere, but I have to go digging for it. But it's just like a red and black buffalo check pattern. This is from Hobby Lobby. I will link it down below. It is my favorite, and I pretty much use it all the time for my Christmas projects. This one, and then I use a thicker one as well. But I love it. It's one of my favorites. On the front cover here, I did some stitching and the spine, and on the back, I have my handmade logo stamp here, and I will have this link down below. It is a stamp. I stamp it onto like scrap white cardstock, and then I die cut it out, which gives that fall stitching look, but it is a stamp, and then I just glue it on here. On the front cover here, I had this little mini cut apart, which was from some kind of a 6x6 paper pad, and I never used these little mini cut aparts, so I saved them, and it came in handy for this cover because it's like such a cute little size for a 4x4 mini album. I embellished with some flowers. This red glitter one is from Hobby Lobby, and then this ivory with the gold center is from Little Birdie Crafts, and I have some enamel dots. So then when you open this up, it looks like this, and this one is a little bit different than the last one I made, and then also a little different from the tutorial that I have on this, which is a fall themed mini album. So on the fall themed mini album, this is on a magnetic closure. Here I decided to do a swing tab closure, and I'll have these little swing tabs linked down below. You do need a little brad to adhere them, but it's a cute little swing tab closure, so I'll have that linked down below. I have a cut apart here that says Santa's letters, and this swing tab closure just moves to the other side, and you could flip this open. Now in the other in my other Christmas one and in my fall tutorial, there is no pocket here. I did add a little pocket here because I just had some more paper, so I thought that was cute. And I have a cute little cut apart in there. Maybe this goes this way. Yeah, maybe. I'm not sure. But that just lives here, and then you close that back up and swing this back so that stays closed. On this side, I did this on my last Christmas one, but not on the fall tutorial, which is just an additional flap. I did have a belly band in the fall tutorial, but I did not have this additional flap, which you could easily just make another one because there is measurements for the flap in this album, in that tutorial. So you could just do that. And there's a cute little cut apart in here. And there we go. I think one other thing I did different with the belly band is that I added a gusset, so it's not glued down here and up top. I had a gusset, and I, you know, like you score it and then you glue on the 1/2-inch tabs. So that allows for like a full 3x4 size kind of ish cut apart if I want it, like a little bit less than 4 inches, but it allows for a bigger cut apart in here. So that's another thing I did different. Then you turn this page. This piece is in the tutorial. It's got a little pocket here, and I have a cut apart in here as well. And that just lives back in here. And then this opens like this. So that was in the fall album tutorial. But it's so cute, isn't it? And I added some stickers from the collection here. And oh my god, it's such a cute photo. And you could fit a good amount of photos because you could fit one on the back of this and then on here. And if you're talking in like 3x4 size photos, the little bit of cropped, that's 2 photos here. You could add one to the back of this, so that's 3, 4, 5. Or you could do like cropped 4x4 size photos. So that's 5 photos so far. You could add a photo to the back of this, so that's 6, 7, 8, and now we're here. So here I made another cute little belly band. This is glued down on the 2 sides. I started off with just this paper, but it was looking a little plain to me, and then this was a sticker from the sticker sheet, so I just put it onto some black cardstock, cut it out, and put it here. And you don't have to put a cut apart in there. You can glue your photo directly onto here. How many photos would that be now? I don't know, 6 or 7 maybe. I lost count already. What was this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this would be 8 photos right here. You guys hear my dog running around in the background. She's having fun right now, just running around. So a cut apart goes here, so that could be 8 photos on the back of that, or here you could add additional photos, so 9. And then this flips open. You could add another photo here, so 10. And then here's a little cut apart, and you could add a photo to the back of here, or you could just tuck in another photo. So I keep losing count, guys. I don't know, is that 10, 11? I'm not sure. Then this flips here, and this was in the tutorial, or actually this little booklet was not. I had a tag in here. But another thing I did different here, so originally in the tutorial, I took the pattern paper and I glued it on 3 sides. This time I took the pattern paper, I matted it onto black cardstock, and I did add a gusset so you can fit more in here if you would like. But I made a cute little booklet. I think in the tutorial I did a tag that was just peeking out from the top. But I did a cute little booklet so you could add additional photos here, here, and on the back. And then you could still add a photo here as well. And if you wanted to add more photos in that pocket, it is gusseted, so you could fit a couple more in there as well. And then the last page, this was in the tutorial, this angled pocket, because I had already had this angled piece, and same thing with these scraps. I seem to always have some kind of an angled piece. So I just turned it into a pocket, and I show you guys how to do that in the tutorial. And then I have this cut apart in here as well, and it just tucks right in there. So you can fit a good amount of photos in here to document like your Christmas season, maybe some kind of fun activity. And I had so much fun making this. Now this one is not for sale because this one was a custom order. But throughout the year I will have more of these, whether it's Christmas or another season or theme, just because it's a great project to make with your scraps. So I'm definitely going to have some more of these cutie patooties in my Etsy shop throughout the year. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out the process video of the fall one, where you guys can learn how to make one yourself. I will have that link down below in the description box. And that is everything. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.